Afternoon, Harold. So this is how to mount this swivel mount for the wakeboard racks onto a 2015 Moomba Mondo that has this type of rack. So this is how it attaches to your tower. You remove these 3 bolts, all Allen screws, all set. Then there's 2 small Allen screws that hold an access panel to the back. I'll show you from this view. You got to remove those 2 Allen screws to get at this access panel. And then that comes off. And then you remove this large one from the center. That's really what holds the actual board rack to the mounting plate. I've already loosened these up, so you just need the right size Allen wrench, obviously. Okay, then you get that off. Now for the new one, flip this around. There's 4 pins going to be mounted in there. I've only got 1 pin here because this is my own rack and it was in there. But the way you mount it is load this thing up, line up the pins, insert that, put this big Allen screw back in place through here, remount the cover plate, and then you're good to go. And so to remount the cover plate, you access 1 screw here, and then you gotta rotate the mount around to access the other one right there, and then you're done. All right. I'll take a look at this, see if it's good enough.